What you will need to give your vehicle long-lasting exterior protection with Xzilon. First, the vehicle must be prepped. Begin by using a high-quality automotive-grade wash that is not wax-based to clean the vehicle. To get rid of further rail dust and other particles embedded in the paint from the factory, use a clay mitt available on Amazon or at your local detail shop. Now that the vehicle surface is prepped, we can begin the application. Take your microfiber sponge and pour some of the exterior onto the sponge as shown. It should be about a half dollar size amount. Apply to the surface in a cross-stitching pattern, making sure you fill in each of the microscopic pores on the surface. Wait 60 seconds for the product to flash on and cure to the surface. Then lightly buff the surface with a clean microfiber towel. Complete the rest of the vehicle moving panel by panel, including headlights and taillights. Wipe any excess product accidentally applied to plastics or windows. Congratulations! The vehicle has received its exterior layer of protection. Now kick back and relax to enjoy your new paint finish.